Welcome to Bold Snap Reporter. My name is Julie Adams and I will be your guide. This video is part 1 of the Snap Reporter series. In later videos, we will explain how to create different reports and how to harness the power of the Snap Reporter. The purpose of this video is to explain the genesis of Snap Reporter, then what it is and what it can do. Why did we create this Snap Reporter? There are nearly 100 reports built into Manitou. These reports range from exceedingly simple to very complex, but we found that they satisfy the needs of the vast majority of Manitou users. Next, we created the Advanced Report Writer. The Advanced Report Writer leverages the power of Microsoft SQL reporting services to generate the report and allow it to be imported into Manitou. It's very powerful, but you need a strong knowledge of Microsoft SQL and an in-depth knowledge of the Manitou database to get truly useful reports from it. We needed something between the two. Something that allows Manitou users to create reports, both simple and complex, just to their liking, without any SQL knowledge, and to bring those reports into Manitou so they can be run on demand or scheduled just like any other report. Snap Reporter fills that gap. The question is, what is Snap Reporter? Most simply put, it is a report creation tool. It is used to access the Manitou data and format it into a report. As mentioned previously, the beauty of the simplicity of the Snap Reporter is that it can be used without any extensive knowledge of Microsoft SQL or the Manitou database. That being said, it was designed to supplement the Advanced Report Writer product. True power users can still use the Advanced Report Writer to create reports as complex as their SQL skills allow. So you may be asking, what can the Snap Reporter do? First, you can create and edit reports within a WYSIWYG editor. It is very much like being able to create a report within your favorite word processing application. You can also do some extended data shaping in the Snap Reporter. You can add fields that include calculated data from other parts of the report, like a total column. You're able to format data so that date/time, numbers, percents, and currency all display in the correct format. If you'd like to sort or group your data by a particular field, that's also possible. It is also possible to filter which records are displayed in the report. The Snap Reporter can also display master detail reports. This means that you're able to select a large number of related bits of information. For example, contact list details, call list details, transmitter information, zone information, device information, schedules, and etc. And the Snap Reporter is able to neatly format all the information under the header of each customer. Once you've created a report in the Snap Reporter, you're able to export the report into a number of widely used file formats, which include CSV, TXT, Microsoft Word, PDF, and RTF. But again, as previously mentioned, one of the key features is the ability to import Snap Reporter reports into Manitou. What this means is that you can create a report that is unique to you, the Manitou user. Your operators or staff can run the reports, or schedule it to be run, just as they can with any of the built-in reports or the reports created by Advanced Report Writer. One of the struggles we found when trying to create reports in the Advanced Report Writer was that even very skilled SQL users worked very hard to display customer history anywhere near the ease of readability that was found in Manitou. Manitou leverages the power of the application server to read the log files and interpret and format the information. The Snap Reporter is also able to utilize the Manitou application server to do the same thing. Essentially, it will be very easy for you to create a complex report, including alarm history, and it will look similar to the way it is displayed in Manitou, without all the work. There are some things to be aware of when using the Snap Reporter. First, editing existing reports, while still relatively easy, is not without a learning curve. We will cover in detail how to edit reports in this series of videos. It just means that a new method of editing data needs to be learned. Next is the inability for Snap Reporter users to modify the underlying SQL directly, regardless of their level of SQL expertise. Snap Reporter gets its data from a set of fixed SQL queries that cannot be edited by anyone. It is possible in the Advanced Report Writer to tune the performance of a particular report by optimizing the query. If you have the skills to run the query in the most efficient way, those efficiencies were passed on to Manitou when the report was created. Not so with the Snap Reporter. To run the Snap Reporter, you need both of the following: SQL Server running MS SQL 2008 R2 and Manitou 161 Update 43 or later. This ends Part 1 of the Snap Reporter series. We hope you found this informative and instructive. Come join us in Part 2 where we will focus on creating a report from scratch, then formatting it.